About to lift this wall up here. The wife's going to give me a hand to put this into position. It's a very light wall, but even so, there's a few things about it. Because it's a central wall, we have to be sort of careful that we don't knock off the insulation around the outsides. This wall here is insulated, but this is not secured anyway, so we can move it that way a bit so we don't knock the insulation off. Important thing to do in these frame housing, you can see I've got it insulated where the timber is going to connect all the way down, it's going to connect there, and then it's going to connect along there. Insulated, 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 all the way along, insulated, every piece insulated where that timber is going to be, and all up there. And while I'm filming this video, can you spot the mistake here I've done? Spot the mistake. That part of insulation should be over there. I've put it on the wrong side, but put a new piece in now. But yeah, make sure it's an outside wall, everything should be insulated all the way around, so there's no air gaps, no drafts can come in there. Very, very important. Good evening, YouTubers. It's evening time and it's the end of the day. I've had enough, and the wall is up behind me. That's the wall. The wife helped put me up, help me put it up. And let me turn you around and show you what's going on. So that's it. That's the kitchen wall, or the window there, door there. It's not put in yet because I am very low on jutevi insulation, and there's like two pieces, three in there. So until I've got the insulation, I can't touch that there. So it's minimal up, sort of a frame of a frame. So in the meanwhile, what I can do, with what insulation I've got left, is I can put up this wall here. There's only a small piece of insulation that goes along the floor there, between the floor and the wall, so I can do that. Basically, internally, there is no need to put insulation between the, when you're joining timbers, like in there's no need for it, in there's no need for it, and in here there'll be no need for it. So it's just along the floorboards, nothing else. So but yeah, it's all up. It fitted in absolutely lovely, gorgeous, no problems there at all nice and level. So next up, tomorrow, hopefully get this wall in completely. It'll be, look, it's supposed to be sunny all day. It was kind of trying to rain earlier,